What are some other client-related KPIs that you think lawyers should know about? And can you recommend any in the areas of client acquisition, client development, client satisfaction, anything like that?
So I'll start with client acquisition. So client acquisition obviously is how you get your cases. So I have a system we'll talk about in a bit that puts all this data in a pie chart, a pie graph. So you get a percentage from each type of referral source, whether it's clients or television, billboards, but whatever, referrals, etc. So your cost per case, your acquisition cost per case is a very important KPI. And let me tell you what that means. So if you spend $1 million on marketing, $1 million, and you get 100 cases, well, then your cost per case is 1 million divided by 100, which is whatever that costs, $10,000 per case, whatever the math is. So that's your overall cost per case. So it costs you in that scenario $10,000. Did I do my math right? 100 times 1,000 equals a million, or no, 100,000. So it's actually 100,000 per case, I think. So that's horrible. So you just divide your total marketing cost by the number of cases you signed up, and that's your average cost per case. In personal injury, a goal would be around $2,000 per case. That's a little high. It used to be less, but now, with costs of everything going up, about $2,000 per case is a pretty good acquisition cost per case. So you figure that out globally. In other words, your total marketing spend divided by the number of cases you signed up for a year. Then you can drill down even further, which is your acquisition cost per case per referral type. So, for example, I do television ads as a personal injury attorney. So I can take all my TV cases that came in from TV, look at my total spend on television for that year, divide by the number of cases that I got from television, and now I have an acquisition cost per case for one referral type. So I can figure out if it's worth me staying on television. So you can do that and drill down for every type of referral type that you spend money on. So acquisition cost per case is a super important marketing KPI in case acquisition. In client satisfaction, I use several KPIs. One of them would be Google reviews. And we very actively solicit Google reviews as a KPI for client satisfaction. And we've gamified the hell out of that. It is super fun at our office. And every single employee gets bonused and gifts and money and fun stuff for getting their friends and relatives and themselves and vendors and clients. It's not just clients. We have a huge list of people that we want Google reviews from. And they earn quite a bit of money off that. The employees do. So Google reviews is the first. And the second is the aggressive use of client surveys. So client surveys give you back data as far as a score of 1 to 5 on certain things. So because it's a score, you can see what kind of scores you're getting from your clients at different points in the case. So that's a KPI, is your client satisfaction scores. So client satisfaction, I would say Google reviews and client surveys.